Welcome to an Albright Supply Tool Spotlight. Today, we'll be going over how to use the Hog Ring Pliers. The pliers use grooves on the inside of the nose to keep the hog ring in place. With this design, folding the hog ring is effortless. As an example, we'll be securing this vinyl with hog rings. After cutting our material, securing it is as easy as squeezing the pliers. With the hog rings in place, the material is now taut and in no danger of ripping. Hog rings are great for a multitude of projects, and these pliers only accent their versatility. Want to win a tool bucket filled with handy items just like that? Order from albrightsupply.com 3 times in the month of September to be entered in for a chance to win this $500 value. Check the description below for more information on the tool bucket and the item. Visit www.albrightsupply.com today. Here you can browse our thousands of items using our innovative inventory search feature. Albright Supply, the home of free shipping.